Now, Stormwatch 12 weather with meteorologist Josh Culbreth.
Welcome back to Newswatch 12. Midday, you can see the amount of rain and snow starting to increase on the map, although it's all pretty light for now, but it is not going to be that way for the rest of this 48-hour period. So we'll go ahead and put this in motion with Stormcast. This is right around dinner time. You can see some more yellows on the map at this point, some deeper shades of blue. So that means that the rainfall and the snowfall could get a little bit heavier, and that's going to continue into the late evening, the overnight hours. And watch this next little blast of rain and snow that we could have in a Saturday morning. Now, snow levels will be raising throughout the day on Saturday, so some passes will slightly improve while others will become nearly impassable. And we'll show you some of the snowfall projections here in just a little bit, but widespread stuff in a lunchtime on Saturday, the same thing with dinner time, but then after that trending drier, and we're looking much drier for Sunday. Thank goodness. Here's some of the water totals we're expecting through Saturday night, subject to change, but my goodness, if this verifies, we could have anywhere between 5 to 5.5 inches of rainfall along the coast, maybe 3 inches of water for the Illinois Valley, and that's why we have a flood watch in place for Curry County and Josephine County because of a lot of small streams out that way, so they're going to be prone to flooding, but especially because of all the burn scars, the very fresh burn scars that are in Curry and Josephine counties. Now on to the snow levels, as they'll end up around 3,500 feet a little bit later today, staying pretty consistently at that level until Saturday afternoon. That's when they could raise up to around 5,000 feet. And so we're expecting the biggest snowfall totals to be above 3,500 feet. But of course, I think it could be much worse above 5,000 feet. Here's some of the snowfall projections we're expecting through Saturday night. Of course, this is also subject to change, as is the case with most model projections, but we could have anywhere between 3 to 12 inches of snow on our Siskiyou County passes, with some of those higher totals being down towards Snowman Summit. Anywhere between 4 to 6 inches for our east side passes, with maybe some locally higher totals for Lakeview, and then anywhere between 18 to 24 inches for some of our Cascade passes. And once again, just like with a lot of other storm systems for this week, this could be some blowing snow as the winds will gust out of the south and southwest between 20 to 40 miles per hour, with some of the fastest wind gusts being in the Shasta Valley. So for today, winds gusting out of the south and west between 20 to 35 miles per hour, mainly outside of our west side valleys. And for tonight, temporarily, the winds are going to calm down to gusts between 20 to 25 miles per hour, but the wind gusts going back up into Saturday. Of course, we'll have pretty widespread rain and snow for Saturday, tough travel impacts. But then our weather, thank goodness, looking much calmer starting on Sunday and beyond. Here's the 7-day forecast for the coast. We'll see rain likely for today and tomorrow, showers likely for Sunday, and then much drier by Monday. For Siskiyou County, it's going to be a tough commute on California 89, but less of a tough commute for Interstate 5. All that to say, Snowman Summit is going to look rougher than Black Butte Pass. Then for the east side, I'm thinking we see much more snow for Lake County as opposed to Klamath County, at least to the east of the Cascades. But in Klamath County, along the Cascade Ridgeline, we're anticipating more and more feet of snow, like maybe another 1.5 to 2 feet of snow for some of the Cascade passes. Tough stuff out that way. And then for the Rogue Valley, rain likely for today and tomorrow, but finally much drier for Sunday and Monday.
All right, thank you, Josh. So mountains can expect, snow. So if you're big skiers, that's great. But down here in the valley, we're going to get lots of rain.
Yes, we did. I just want to point out, we did get a little bit of snow within the Rogue Valley. We did. It didn't really stick to the ground, but that technically counts as a trace. We were saying a trace to an inch for the valley.
You were right.
I don't know if hey, you said it, not me.
All right, thanks, Josh. Appreciate it.